Hello. Good
Hello.
afternoon. How are you today?
Happy.
Happy? Oh, that's
Yes.
good to hear. What did you do this morning?
Mm.
Hmm? Do you go to
Auto.
school? Did you go to
What?
school
Yeah.
this morning?
Yes.
Oh, that's great to hear. Okay, so are you ready for our lesson today?
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So today we are going to learn about when is your birthday?
Which when is your birthday?
Yes, so when is your birthday?
When
When
is
is your
your
birthday,
birthday?
Tonglam? Hmm? When is your birthday? Can you please read? When is your birthday? Can you please read? When is
When
your
when is your birthday?
birthday? Very good. So when is your birthday now? Here, we will be having a review. So you're going to review what you have learned in lesson 1 to lesson 3. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so here. Now, we will not going to sing the happy birthday song because it's not yet my birthday, right? So here, you are going to learn the BL. BL, the BL sound.
B
So,
L
okay. So first we have Blair,
B L
block.
block
Very good. So you also have, what color is it? This one. Here.
light
Hmm?
light
It's a black. How about this one? Here. What color is
and
it?
blue
That is a
blue
color blue. Very good. So that
blue
color blue. Okay. Ay, sorry. So this one. Um, what is that?
blue black
Hmm? How are you going to how are you going to pronounce that one? That is
Rushy
Bruce.
Bruce
Not Brucey, okay? It's Bruce.
Bruce
How about this one? This is brother.
brother
Very good. So that is brother. Okay. So here, this one. Do you like to eat this one?
green
Here, this is
green
bread. Can you say
green
bread?
red
Okay. Now, what color is it? Here. Oh,
brown
brown. Very good. Okay, that is color brown. Now, here. Wait a minute. This one. Now, here, Tongnam, you are going to play some games. Okay. Can you please circle the BR words? Circle the BR
and
words.
Bruce
Very good. So you have here Bruce. What else?
Bruce
Bruce and
Bruce and brother
huh? Bruce and we're not yet done. So we
block
have Bruce and Block. Okay.
block
So yeah, you are right because you are going to circle the BR sound, BR word. So it is Bruce. Now here,
Bruce
how about circle the BL word? BL word. This
black
one. Black. Very good. So black. B-L word. So black. Okay, here. So wait a minute. Now, this time you're going to read and talk. Okay, here. Birthday, year, and always. Okay, what is it? What can you see in the picture?
Birthday.
Birthday, very good. Next one.
Year.
Year, okay.
Always.
Always, yes, it's always. So,
Always.
this one. What can you
Some.
see? Hmm?
Summer.
Summer, very good. What else?
Hike.
Hike, yes, that's right. So hike, and
Picnic.
very good. It's a picnic. Okay, do you like to have picnic during summer?
Yes.
Okay. So me too. I like to have picnic during summer. Okay. Now here. Let's talk and let's see what happened. Okay. Good morning, Sam.
Good morning, Sam.
How are
How
you
are you
today?
today? I
I'm
am very
very
happy.
happy.
It's summer
And
and my birthday
is
is called
coming.
coming.
One more time. Okay. Let me read and you're going to repeat after me, okay? Good morning, Sam. How are you today? I am very happy. It's summer and my birthday is coming. Okay, so here. When is your
When
birthday, Sam?
when is your birthday, Sam?
Okay, when is
My
mhm,
birthday is
is
on July.
July. That is what we call July. Not Julie, okay?
July
It's July. Okay, one more time.
is
My
July
birthday is on
is
July.
on July
Very good.
20,
12.
12, 12.
Okay. My birthday is on
My birthday is on July,
July. That is,
July,
yes. Okay.
July
Julie,
12,
Julie, Julie is my name. So this is what we call July. So I am teacher Julie, and this one is July, okay?
July. Okay.
Okay, so my birthday is on
My
July 12.
birthday is on July in
I will be 7 years
12.
old.
I will
I will
be
be,
7 years old.
yes, okay, you will be 7 years old. Now here, what do you do on your birthday?
What do you do on your birthday?
Okay,
I always
I
have
always
a picnic
mhm,
with my family.
with my family. Okay, so I always have a picnic on here. So this one, do you want to
Do
come?
you do you want to come to my birthday?
I can't. I can. I'm sorry, we are
Birthday
going.
party. I can. I'm sorry.
We are
We are
going
going
hiking.
hike
That is
hiking
hiking.
that day. Hiking
Okay.
that day.
You will be going hiking that day. So, here, let's play some games.
Some good.
Okay. So let's play some games now. Wait a minute. Now here, take the picture. I have a picnic with my family. Okay, which one is having a picnic? Which one? Can you tell me which picture? Huh?
We're all going hiking that day. And number 3.
Yes. So very good. It is number?
3.
Yes, very good. That is number 3. Very good. So here, you are going to have hiking. So number 1, what is that? Number,
Picnic.
yes. Number 1 is picnic. How about number 2? What is that?
Picnic. Swimming in summer.
Swimming and summer. Okay, very good. So here, circle the answer. Okay, my blank is on July 12. So what is the answer? Is it at birthday, years, or always? Which one?
My birthday is on July
Mm-hmm.
12.
July 12. Very good. Not Julie, okay? Okay.
Okay.
So here, circle the answer. I have blank. Okay, I blank have a picnic with my family. So which one? What is the answer? Is it A, B, or C? What is
I
the answer? I have,
A.
I always have, very good. So I always have picnic
I
with
I
my,
always have a picnic with my family.
very good. So I always have a picnic with my family. Okay. This one, role play. So when is your birthday? My,
When is your birthday? My birthday is on
what? July,
July
July
and 12.
12. Okay, July 12,
July 12.
2014. Okay. Now here, role play. What do you do on your birthday?
What do you do on your birthday?
I
I always picnic in the
I always
family.
I always have
I always have
a picnic
picnic in the family.
with my family. With my family.
With my family.
Yes. So with my family. Oh. Do you want to come to my birthday party? What is the answer?
I can. I can.
I'm
I'm sorry.
sorry.
We are hiking that day.
We are hiking that day. Okay. Mm. Now role play. To do you want to come to my birthday party? What is the answer? Sorry.
We are hiking that day.
Yes, we are hiking that day. Now okay. So today we reviewed about the BL sounds. BL sounds. Okay, BL words.
The
Which one? We
Elsa.
have Blair,
Be Blair. Lock.
black. Yes, very good.
Blair.
Black.
Lock.
Black is the
Black.
square one. Black is the color one. So there are two types of black. So the first one is block, which is the square or the box.
Lock.
Here is black, that is color.
Black and
Okay.
blue.
Black and blue, very good. So what are the BR sounds? So we have Bruce
Bruce and
and
brother.
brother, very good.
Brother.
So we also have bread.
Red and brown.
Red and brown. Very good. Okay. We also have some here. What is that? Birthday.
Birthday.
Very good. And year.
Yeah.
And
and always.
Yes, very good. So, and always. Now, we also have this one. So, summer, hike, and picnic.
Summer, hike, and
And,
picnic.
yes, that's right. So, summer, hike, and picnic. Okay. So, this time, we will be going to proceed this one. So, Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Can you say mother?
Mother.
Very good. So, can you please read the sentence? Jen
Jane
is,
is Timmy. Mother.
yes, Jen is Timmy's mother. Okay,
Mother.
every. So, every
Every
Timmy brushes his teeth every day.
Timmy brushes his teeth every day.
How about you, Tonglam? Did you brush your teeth every day? Did you brush
Yeah.
your teeth? Very good. Okay, that is right. You have to brush your teeth every day. Okay, this one. What is this? This is
Car.
card. Okay, that is the card. So this is a card for
This is a
Mother's
card
Day.
for Mother's Day.
Very good. Okay, that is the card for Mother's Day. Okay, how about this one? Oh, let's have some.
Activity time.
Yes, activity time. So take the correct answer. What is
Mother.
that is? Is that a mother or father?
Mother.
Mother. Very good. And who's that boy? Who's that
No.
boy? Huh? Who is that
Yeah.
boy? Is that Timmy
No.
or Sam? Who's that? That is
Timmy.
Timmy. Very good. Okay, that is Timmy. Now, fill in the word. Fill in the word. Timmy brushes his teeth every day. Is that correct? Very day or every day? Which one is the right one? Which word is correct? Is it very day or every day?
Every.
Every day. Okay, very good. Now here, fill in the word. It's a blank. Is it a car or is it a card?
Car.
Yes, that is a card. So it is a card. Very good. Now let's read and
Is a
stop.
car.
Okay. What do
What
you
What do you guys
give?
mother
What? Okay, one more time. What
give?
do you give
What do you give
your mother
your mother
for?
for Mother's Day?
Very good. So I
I
gave,
J
give, give her
him. I
cho-
give him a
chocolate.
chocolate.
Okay. So I
Chocolate.
give her chocolate. Okay, that is
Every
every
Mother's Day.
Mother's Day. Okay.
Every.
So do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate?
Yeah.
Oh, really? I like chocolates too. Okay. Here. How about you, Cindy?
How about you, Cindy? I
I give
I Jim
her
I Jim a flower
flowers every
every
Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
So Cindy gives flowers every Mother's Day. Okay. So this one.
How
Okay.
about
How about
you,
you,
Sam?
Sam? Okay.
I Jim
Okay.
a flower every
Can you please
Mother's
say
Day
give?
too.
Can you say give?
Give
Very good. It's not give, okay? It's give. Okay.
Kim
Okay, one more time.
I give her
Give.
flower.
Yes.
Kim
Every
every
Mother's
Mother's
Day
Day too.
too. Very good. So some also give flowers every Mother's Day too. Now here, great.
Well,
Let's make
let's make some
some.
Mother's Day cards.
Okay.
Good idea.
Get good. What is that? This is what we called idea. Can you say idea?
Idea.
One, very good. So, good idea. We can write, I love you, mom, on the cards.
Good idea. We can write
Right? I
I
love
love
you,
you,
mom,
Mom on
on
the
the
card.
cards. Okay, very good. So, do you say I love you to your mom? Hmm?
Yeah.
Okay, that is right. Very good. So now this time, let's play some games. Are you excited? Hmm?
Let's play some game.
Okay, so here, you are going to spell the word. Spell the word. Okay,
Spell the word
look at the picture and you're going to fill in the blank
G.
here. What is that word?
C.
C. Okay, let us write the letter C. Okay, one more time.
C.
Okay,
C.
letter C.
A.
Okay,
R. And
R.
D.
So how are you going to
And
read that
D.
one? That is
Car.
card. Very good. So C-A-R-D. So it is card.
R.
Okay. So this time, you are going to here. Another one. What is that? Spell the word. What is that? M
M. R.
O. Can you say O?
O.
What is that
O.
word? M O
O. T.
P. Next one.
H.
H. Very good. And
E. And
E.
R.
And R. Very good. So the word is
E. Mother.
mother. Okay, mother. So like me, I am a mother, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, circle the answer. I give mom flowers. What is the answer? Every or very or every? Which one?
I
Every.
I came I came mom flower
Mom flowers every.
every Mother Day.
So what is the answer? Letter A, B, or C?
Letter A.
Letter A. Okay. Good
Every.
job. So you got one answer. Very good. So here. Oy. Sorry. What happened? It's not functioning. Okay, here. Role play. What do you give your mother
What did you give your mother for Mother Day?
for Mother's Day? So what do you give?
I give her chocolate
Chocolate.
every
Okay.
chocolate every Mother Day.
Can you say chocolate? Can you say chocolate? Hmm? Chocolate. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Okay, very good. Not chocolate, okay? It's chocolate. Here,
Chocolate.
what do you give
What do you
your
give
mother
your mother
for
for Mother
Mother's
Day?
Day? Okay, what do you give?
I give her flower every Mother Day.
Every. Okay, very good. So I give her flowers
Mother
every Mother's Day.
flower every Mother Day.
Okay. Okay, so here, ask and answer. What do you give your mother
What do
for
you give your
Mother's Day?
mother for Mother Day?
Okay, what do you give?
I give her
Flowers.
flower
chocolate,
chocolate,
give,
gift,
card.
and card.
Very good. Every. Why you are smiling, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So you give, did you give to your mother? Really? Okay. You cannot understand, so I will use translator, okay? Wait a minute. Did you really give a flower to your mother every Mother's Day? Oh, sorry. Okay. So that is my question. Is it? Hmm?
Yes.
Oh, very good. So you give flowers?
Yeah.
Flowers and chocolate? Oh, your mother is
No.
very lucky.
Flower and card.
Yes, flower and card. Very good. So here, let us review. We're about to finish the study. Okay, here. So let's review it first. Today you learned about Mother's Day. Follow
Mother's
teacher,
Day.
repeat after me, okay? Mother's Day.
Mother's Day.
Yes. So mother.
Mother.
Jen
is
is Timmy's
Timmy. Mother.
mother. Okay, Jen is Timmy's mother. This one, every.
Timmy rules. His
Brushes.
brushes.
The word is
His
brushes.
brushes.
Timmy
His
brushes
teeth.
his teeth
Timmy brushes his teeth
every day.
every
Day.
day.
And card.
Card. This
Okay.
is a card
This
for
is a
Mother's
card.
Day.
Oh, Mother's Day. Okay. So that is a card. Now this one.
Activity 10.
What is that girl standing beside Timmy? Who's that? Is that a mother or a father?
Mother.
Okay, that is a mother. Very good. So Timmy brushes his teeth. What is the answer? Very day or every day?
Every day.
Very good. Every day.
Timmy
So,
brush.
huh? Can you say
Timmy brush.
brush?
His brush.
Brushes.
Brushes.
Okay,
His
Timmy
teeth
brushes his teeth.
every day.
Okay, very good. Timmy brushes his teeth every day. Okay. So what is that? Is that a car or a card?
It is a card.
Card. Very good. Last one. Okay, spell the word. What is that? The first one. It's a card. Okay, so we are done. This one. I can do it.
I can do it.
The word is
Mother.
mother.
Every. Card.
Card.
What do you
Give
him?
your mother?
Your mother for Mother's Day.
Yes, very good. I
I
gave her
give a flower every
every.
Mother's Day.
Okay, so no more question. Any clarification from teacher? No more?
Yeah.
Okay, so goodbye, Tung Lam. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.
And Mel too.
Okay, bye.